Hello, Restore Beauties. I am so very glad that you clicked on this link. Why do I say that? Because for those who are in the Facebook group, you know tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is our first book club meeting. Don't worry if you didn't know. I'm going to tell you the time, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 10:30. And guess what? You can come and join us, right? And so here's the thing, even if you don't have the book, because the book is a devotional. So it's really easy to kind of get right in there and to be able to receive some of the gems and jewels that we'll be sharing. And I promise you, you probably will want to purchase that book on the spot because it is a phenomenal book. It's entitled Believe Bigger. And I'm going to be teaching about rest. There are different type of rests. And then after that, we will be sharing about the book, portions of the book. And again, you can just add on or share personal experiences to add to the conversation. Don't worry. And so I'm excited because as you pour out to, serving in the community, you ought to be poured into. And it is my honor and it is my joy to pour into people who love others, who can't wait to give unto others. And so I have been to a place where I've been burnt out, that I've been exhausted. And by the grace of God, I've definitely come back even better. And so I can't wait to not only pour out to you, but just share some of the strategies and tools. And again, tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, April 23rd, on Zoom, we will be talking, we'll be getting to know each other because it is our first. So if you know that you have a friend, a loved one, a cousin who needs to be on this line because she gives, and doesn't know how to pour back into herself, let her know we're going to be talking about all the different types of rest tomorrow. And so I hope to see you then. Let me know, email me if you definitely want to attend, and I will just email you back. Bye-bye.